Alright, motherfuckers. Gotta get a stretch. Oh, that was a good one. What's up, guy in the mental hospital? Let's fucking go! Why did that show up just now? Get OBS? You drunk? Anyway. I finished, okay, so I've done the elevator for the top, the first basement level, and now I've done the second basement level. I will show you. There's some, like, weird scripting glitches, but the actual, thingamababa is correct. So if I... Hold on. I'll show you what happens when you interact with the second basement, door. Bro, you mind? And it's just some dude showering. As normal. As one does. Gratorings. I was just showing the finished, script. I fixed the script, so now the actual shower thing kind of works. There are some minor fixes I need to make. For some reason, the speed set is not working. So you see how it looks like it's just rapid firing that water? It's supposed to be slower, but for some goddamn reason, the set speed isn't working. What happens if I put this to a slower speed? I'm gonna set this to normal and see what happens. Maybe that'll give me some insight onto why it's glitching like that. Oh, it still goes to rapid fire. God damn. Look at it. Bro's getting his skin melted. There is a weird glitch here. Could be maybe it changes the frequency. I don't know what would change the frequency. Oh, wait. Oh, the frequency is what I need to change, not the speed. Oh! You fucking right! God damn! Knuckles, why are you smarter than me? Okay, frequency lower. Okay, let me see if this fixes things. Touch. Yes, I have been the touched. Wait, speed, you stay the same. Frequency, you alter. It seems I am needed. Having at least one person that understands RPG Maker is definitely useful for realizing my mistakes. Alright, let me see if the animation gets fixed. I forgot that speed and frequency. For some reason in my mind I was like, speed, that's the speed that the frames change, right? Oh, that... Why is there... It looks like it alternates between the... Huh? That didn't look like it changed anything. Because that's the speed for the, door opening. Yeah, the highest is should be the door opening because it has to zoom fast, but then it's supposed to slow down for the loop. Look, I changed the default back down, and now it's still just going. Actually, maybe there's something, I'm gonna look at some of my code and see if I can figure it out from there. Because there's something weird happening. Rapid fire water. Yeah, it's just fucking Gatling gunning him. Okay, let's see here. So this is the thing that goes. Set pattern. Stop. Hold on. Let me take a look at how frequency. Okay, let me look at everything involving frequency here. So, move frequency default 6. Set move frequency. Stop count threshold. Okay, so every frequency is 30 frames. So the move frequency, the highest move frequency would be that. Okay. Wait, what's the range of frequency? 1 to 5? Wait, but if frequency is 5, then 5 minus 5 is 0. Isn't that like every frame, essentially? And these are both set for... Okay, so this stop count threshold is the only thing that cares about frequency. Now that I know where I'm looking at, update self-movement. Check stop. Okay, where is check stop calculated? Just there? That's the only instance of check stop? Okay, so every frame the stop count is increased. Once the stop count reaches the threshold, that's when it decides to do that. I'm gonna have to do like a very weird thing. Okay, I'm gonna refresh so that the code change happened. Okay, this makes no goddamn sense. Although I do want it to only be the stop count of... Wait, now that's a lot of stop counts being checked. If this .event ID is equal to 2, so only for that event do we want to see that. Let's do that fix. What would happen if I set the basement on fire? You'll get fucked? What the heck? Look at this. The stop count stays at 1. Like, before I updated it, it was just counting 1 all the way up to 437. How did you do it in the event? What do you mean? How about the whole... What? Show you the event page. Oh, you want to see what the actual event page? So I call it custom script. Set the frequency to 1. They call it custom script. I need to see if this custom script is doing anything that's fucking shit up. But the custom script is go to index 17, which basically means go to here, because it starts counting from 0. So index 17 is 16 here. Oh wait, no, index 17 would be 15 here. I have to take this and then subtract 1. Okay, let's start from that. And then after that, I need to alternate between... Okay, that's correct. Then it just does this on repeat. And then when you're done, it needs to go and put it to 0, which is closed position. I'm gonna, just in case, do one check with that one change. I don't think that's gonna fix it. I just want to, like, you know, make very much sure. Okay, stop count, for some reason, is eternally at 1 now. So let's go to the actual scripts that I'm calling. Okay, so what it does is... Wait, do I need to reset stop count here? I don't think I do. Wait, why am I resetting the stop count there? I swear, if that one line of code is what worked it... Well, watch it work perfectly fine. That didn't fix it. Well, good news, it didn't work perfectly fine. I mean, I would have been happy if my dumb mistake was fixed. Set pattern equal to pattern plus the direction, so whether it's going up or down. And then if the pattern is not at its target, then repeat. Should be correct. Update move. Oh, that's directional move, not force move. Force move. Force move route. Memorize move route and do all this. Update stop. Alright, update move routine. Save that. Maybe wait count is what I need to change, not stop count. I should wait. If this dot event ID is equal to 2, so that we're only getting that in there. Let's get rid of some of this stuff that I was using for testing. Set move speed, I don't care. Okay, I'm not caring about stop count. Alright, so this is all I care about. Weight count. Let's see what that does. Yeah, I think it is the weight count that I need to change. Because if I were to put something crazy like I'm gonna move it up. Actually, through on, move up, up. I'm gonna have this elevator ascend for a second. Just to see how the weight count affects a normal command. What? I'm sorry, what? I don't think it liked that. Holy, alright. The man was sent to the void. Yeah, basically. Okay. Weight count is absolutely the problem. What actually sets weight count? No, weight count is when you use the actual weight command. Oh, okay. It's not weight count. I don't need weight count. Unless I want to manually add a weight count between things. I mean, I guess that might fix it. I'm gonna just do this and see what happens. What I'm guessing will happen is... I think it's actually doing it every frame, regardless of its frequency. And if that's the case, I might be able to... Look at that! Now it's doing it once every 30 frames, which is a half a second. Bro, you mind? And then I have to wait for it to close. Oh god, this is the world's slowest shower! Look at it. Ah! Open! 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 But the looping animation actually looks like a good speed for this. Maybe like slightly faster, but not by much. So you can get a good look at the goods. Yeah. Alright. Weight equals null. Actually, I'll put weight equal 1, weight equals 1 here. So what we're going to do is then weight count equals weight. And then over here, we're gonna move it to 15, and we're gonna do it to 1, so that it does it every frame. Then on this repeat, we can set this to 20, so that it updates every 20 frames, which is a third of a second, or a 20th of a second. Blah, blah, blah. A fifth of a second. Math is a thing. And actually, I don't think I even need to set this, because by default it's 1 if not specified. So maybe this works. Maybe it works. Let's see. Elevator opening was a bit slow. Why was it slow? Oh, wait! I think this is additional frames. So I need to set this to 0 by default. Okay. That looks great. Holy shit. We got it fixed. And the good thing is we only need to fix this once, because theoretically the next thing we make should be fine. Theoretically. Hell's fucking yeah, bitches. Alright. I guess it's time for the part that you recommended that I'm now gonna do. Release the game now. the game isn't even called Waifu Corp anymore. It's called Elevator Shower Boyer. Okay. New. I need an extra thing here, so 48. What are we doing now? I am going to create Charles, the elevator that you had mentioned last time. And with that, all the elevator parts will be done. So, obviously, we're gonna copy this. Wait, no. What is it doing? Okay, copy these frames. Hold on. What? Copy. Paste. But those last few frames are not necessary. So we have the elevator. Now we just create everything behind it real quick. So this is going to be the first tag, which is elevator. We're going to create another tag of it kind of waiting. And then we have to create another thing of it chomping on the main character. Alright. Mouth inside. Alright, we'll create this on the most open frame. Load palette. What? Load palette. Oh. I don't know why it hesitated there. A sprite, palette, diverse natural. Okay. So we gotta get kind of a fleshy base. Oh, of course we gotta close this so it's not. Then we get some of the. Let's figure out our actual things. So we got this. Okay, so this should be the in between. Actually, I think this is just a better version of that. And something even more lighter on the pink side. Okay. I think 4 colors is probably good for this palette. So we're gonna make kind of a gums area. A little area that's kind of just the edge. We'll kind of correct it. We don't want everything to be symmetrical, because symmetry is not exactly terrifying. Oh wait, that should have been that color. And then as we move on... And then we probably want like a black for the final one. And then we'll just clean up some edgings. So let's just take this and then push it down here. I think that looks like a good inside of a flesh mouth. It kind of has like this almost like tunnel-like throat to be implied. We absolutely want to make sure it has teeth, and the teeth will actually follow the elevator doors. So let's go ahead and make a teeth layer. Oh, not a new sprite. No. Teeth. Yeah, teeths. What do you think? Sharper or thinner? Yeah, I guess making them a little different would probably be fine. Okay, I'm just gonna do this then. I'm just going to simply make the roots to start from. And then I'll draw each one individually. Although having some of them be different sizes might be good. Okay, this is what I'll do then. One, two, three. 1, 2. I'm just gonna click them semi-randomly like this, and then start filling them in. I'll do that as a connection. Okay, so those are the roots. And then... And then we could do some corrections. Make some of them a little longer. And as you can see, some of the teeth are touching each other, and I'll have to fix that in a second. There we go. Yeah, if I'm having the inside of the mouth be asymmetric, having the mouth be asymmetric is also good as well. This one could be kind of dwarfed so that we can have a bit of sharpness here. Alright, mouth. And actually, I'm gonna do one more thing. Sprite canvas size. 64. I'm going to have it after you press the thing. It's going to open up its eyes. I want it to... Should I give it goofy eyes like this? And then elevator colored eyelids, just... It's just a little goofy goober. I think that's the mouth inside layer. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's a little goofy goober. And I think for the actual chomp, let me go ahead and animate the... Okay, let me move the teeth. That is not the teeth. Going from there to there. And I might draw some, like, new teeth to, like, fill this in. I mean, it's gonna be kind of smeared, so it's not like... Yeah, I'll figure out, the front end stop. I'm gonna need to get a portrait of my boy. Waifu Corp. Characters, do template. Why has this gas station bathroom stall with... Oh, what? Alright. Pro tag. Let's get the up-facing one. I'm gonna go ahead and say this. Strip Elevator Charles. What? And I'm gonna make a dude layer where I'm gonna put the dude. Which will probably just need to be in the next frame. Because it needs to have a frame of his mouth going down and then chomping. Which will simultaneously hide the player. So Alt in. And then it definitely needs to look like he's being smushed, so... Push his legs together. We got to move his teeth in. Like this. Oh yeah, I guess the dude needs to be under the teeth layer. Is that symmetric? It's probably fine if it's not symmetric. 31 by 14. Okay. The second thing is back one. I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it was correct the first time. But yeah, I'm doing pretty Just, making a little gruesome death scene for the boy. Yeah, how elevator color do I want to make? Implying that the elevator is still part of his mouth, so... I'm gonna copy this. That... Did it not copy? Copy that. Paste it here. There we go. Going making. It's a horror point and click. Actually, I should probably push this 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think about there is probably better. 1, 2, 3. Then we take the teeths. 1, 2, 3. So horror and puzzle as one game genre, basically. We're gonna have to add some blood to that, but so far that's looking good. Go to elevator. Alright, let's make a circle. Actually, I think that's probably a better circle than what I was doing. Alright. That'll be good. I'm hoping to make it the best I can. Just need to... Actually, maybe I should put another frame. Just to have it, like, puffy cheeks. So that it has, like the eating, like he's chewing you to the side. Wait, sprite. Canvas size. Let me see if that... It might look good. Actually, I'll make it on the other side so you can still see the Don't Feed Charles sign perfectly clear. So we'll do that. So it'll have to open. I'm going to do some in-between frames, so don't think I'm just doing the one and dones here. So it does that, and then it'll hide the main character and eat him at the same time. So plum. And then... Actually, let's just make a copy. Okay. A blank layer. Yeah, and then we'll just take this. Plus, is it the eyes? Yeah, eyes. I'm trying. Let me like look at some references. I mean, trying to find the exact expression of an elevator chewing a human corpse is a bit weird, but I definitely won't like kind of a. Okay, we'll use the circle tool here. Oh, that's the wrong thing. And it'll probably just be this going up and down. So over here. And then we can just... Wait, what? Did I put that in the wrong... Oh, I put it on the eyes layer? That's weird. Break it over. Alright, have a great one! Thank you for stopping by. Mwah! What? Oh, I put all of that on here? Yeah, eyes should only be eyes. Alright. Let's open. So we got elevator. Then we'll have this tag, which is the eat. And then this tag, which will just be chew. I mean... And eat, we'll just go... Yum, 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 yum. Alright. I mean, I know it's like a sudden jump, so it's still... I'm gonna slow this down just to get a better looks. Frame properties. Alright. I mostly... The main thing I need to add to this... Do I need a tongue? Should I add a tongue to this? No, I think he's... him being tongueless is fine. Alright, so it opens. Let's go ahead and add... want to make sure the color I'm using for blood is consistent, so let's grab it from here. And on the elevator. We're just going to do this. What the fuck? Why did my monitor just turn off? Okay, there's something weird that's been happening where my monitor would just turn off and then turn back on. I don't know if it's like a graphics thing, because my computer also like whirls a lot when it does it. Look at him, he's a messy eater. Although, on the other things... Oh, actually, I do put it overlapping. And we'll put some on the teeth as well. Actually, on the dude, we can just... kind of do this. As long as you still get the idea that I'm in there somewhere, I think it's good. Alright, so on the elevator layer... this here. Oh, I guess we need to finish a little of that. And then the same for the other side. So he's gonna open his mouth and be like, "Hi, I'm Charles." Yup. Yup, bomb. I think that's the... I think that's a good animation. Now we just need to make sure the actual opening is there. There's only one frame where the dude is actually there. Oh wait, the eye should not be on here. Hold on. Okay. Over here on frame 8, we'll do a half one. So we'll take this, half it. Then we'll take it to 4 and half of that. And then on frame 2, we basically just make it a single pixel. 1, 2, 3. Why can I not use the arrow keys for this? God damn it. Okay, it goes from 3 frames to 5 here. So over here, I'm going to make it 1 less. Alright. That's good. I put this to around here. That needs to be slightly lower. So this can go down 1. There you go. Down 1. Go up. Alright. Now we just do the in-betweens from... Wait, why did I put it here? It should be here. Okay. There's like... Oh, there's like a 2... or... Alright, that actually kind of looks fine-ish. I just have to kind of fix some of the lines. So for this, you wouldn't be able to see anything. You would just have the idea that something is emerging. Starting to be a little more formed up here. There we go! As his eyes just balloon up. Because the big nom? No. Yeah, no. And choose. Alright, that looks good! Any suggestions before I move on? Obviously the actual... I should probably increase the speed of these frames. Just for the sake of... Is there any way to select all? You would think holding shift means that you could select all, but for some reason it doesn't. I think like half might be around. He comes up and you're like, oh, it's just a goofy goober. And then he goes, nope, 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 nope. And then pulls you back and choose. I think that looks good. Rip elevator 4. Export. Alright, let's implement this motherfucker. Alright, plugins. Animation Plus. Let's go ahead and declare. Oh, why did I put a $sign there? Hold on, let me fix that. It shouldn't have a $sign. Not that it probably matters, but $sign is very specific to the type of thing you're doing. Alright, and there is, what was it, 20 frames? Yeah, 20 frames. Eventually I'm gonna have more options than just setting how many frames there are in here. Because if I just wanted to do that, I could have had like a special code in the back. Like put ampersand number at the end and be like, yeah, that means how many frames. And that would have probably been a lot easier. Because we already used the $sign and exclamation point to specify big characters and objects, but... Okay. Set it to Charles. There's gonna be some things I'm gonna have to fix. Like, I already know the offset needs to be set. So I would probably put shift in there. Let me, like, look at what it looks like. I think it would only needs to be shifted like half a frame. Okay, it needs to go down a full thing and left half of one. So down 16, left 8. Shift X minus 8. Shift Y 16. Gotta make sure it's aligned correctly. Wait, it went the wrong goddamn direction. Hold on. Try that again. Alright, now it should be lined up correct. What? Give me a second. Oh, I could do Shift XY instead of doing both. Okay, I should consider that. console.log page. Oh wait, now that's... There is no Shift X. Shift X. Shift Y. Shift XY. Shift X, Shift Y. Okay. Shift Y. Oh, Shift Y is a existing thing. Right, Shift X. Oh, because I see. Shift Y is there, and then I also have to put Shift... Okay. Game character base prototype dot Shift X. And instead of this alias thing, it needs to say return 0. Shift X. Alright. Alright. Now screen X alias copy this. So what we need to do is say return alias dot apply this argument minus this dot Shift X. That should do it. Okay, the Shift X worked correctly. Did adding the Shift Y even change anything? Charles is floating. Yes, he is. 1 second, we're fixing it. That doesn't... Okay, hold on. Shift Y minus 16. Actually, this should have been -8. Oh! Hold on. I see the problem. It's because I said that you can only put numeric characters into tags, but there has to be an optional negative sign for this to work. Without the optional negative sign, it doesn't recognize it. And that was the problem. Hells yeah. Your mic is all sorts of funky. Fuck! Really? Again? Every time I feel like I fix my mic, it kind of gets funkified again. I will eventually have all my mic stuff fixed. I just don't know what the best way to fix my mic is. As long as it's like an occasional thing and not like, fucking a do thing. Oh wait, I need to be, hold on. Alright, shift X. Alright, let's see if that fixes it. It's in place. Hells yeah. Why is... Wait, what? Oh, I have to also change the priority based on the shift Y. Okay. I think it's called Screen Z. No, it's not called Screen Z. What, Okay. Screen Y. That's the shadow. Screen Y is affecting it somewhere. Maybe it's sprite character dot Y. This dot Y. Because this is set to same as characters. But for some reason it's like, oh, it's below you now. I have to fix that. Unless... Hmm. Okay, what actually changes the priority based on who's on the same layer? I can't have the character go underneath Charles here. Pattern. Okay, update position just does that. Actually, let me go to sprite set map. Okay, that creates the characters, and at the time it creates the characters, it just goes through all that. Let's go to some sort of update. Is there nothing that changes the ordering? Okay, character sprites. Create characters. Find target sprite. No, it doesn't do anything with the child sprites. So what it does is it creates a new based on that. It's not even a child of sprite set map, is it? No, it's not. It looks like, hide characters. Literally just hides everything. Hello! I'm just trying to figure out a mistake I may or may not have made. Which may just be based on how characters are based by the bottom of their sprites. Mike's a little quiet? Wait. How about now? Oh, I thought you had AT for a second, but then it just kind of... Anyway, see ya. See ya! Bye-bye! Mwah! Little sip. Alright. This is the last sip, so I'm gonna have to get some water right now. And with that, I should take a break just so I can refill my water and use the bathroom. Now that you've depleted my water reserves. So yeah, I'll take care of that. And thank you for stopping by. I am up and hydrated. Game map display X. Let me see if there's something I can Google. rpgmaker MZ character priority. Character Z. If it's like underwater transparent, you can set movement command, or there should be an opacity. This is definitely not what I'm trying to see. Z when same Y on map. Check if variable is X, Y, or Z. What? I'm just trying to figure out what, how the priority is. Okay, 1 second. Create lower layer. All that is done here, so I'll say console.log this and take a look at what's there. There has to be a simple solution to this. Alright, children. Okay. It doesn't actually seem to have children in the classical sense. It seems to only really have character sprites like that. So what's actually updating them? Creates characters, hide characters, I guess character sprite update. Update bitmap, update frame, update position, and other. It's either going to be in position or other. And character screen Z is... priority type times 2 plus 1. If this dot event ID is equal to 2. Oh, sorry, this dot character dot event ID is equal to 2. Then console dot log. Oh wait, this is not going to be event ID 2. This is... oh no, it is event ID 2, just coincidentally. Alright. Charles. And Charles will be this dot Z. We're gonna use to determine whether or not it's the player, though. One second. Actually, this will be a lot easier to parse through if I say this dot character. Because right now it's kind of a bit of a mess. Alright, game player. Okay, so if this character name is equal to player. This will be player. This will give me a good insight. Alright, both characters are set as being that. It just keeps saying 3. And that's not helpful. Priority. Same priority. Eh? Maybe I need a correction type based on the percentage of the map X. So if I do this screen stuff, if I screen Z equals, and then all I have to do is add based on the map height divided by its Y position, right? Game character base, that's screen Z. So first, return the alias. So we'll calculate the base amount the same way. Alright, return alias dot apply this argument plus a itsy bitsy amount, and that itsy bitsy amount will be this dot y plus this dot size y divided by, I don't think it actually matters. I'll just do this. So work for anything up to 1,000. All right. Does it work? It worked! Okay. Now we actually have to event things. So first we need it to open. So open up, and then there'll be a show text. Yo bro, my name's oh, I didn't even use the typing SE here. Type SE chat. Oh, hi. It's nice to meet and then he's gonna be like, meat? And then it's going to go to 17. So that's 16 on here. And there's going to be a bloop. Then movement route player transparent on with no weight because we're going to just immediately go here. And then we're just going to go to 18. $19, repeat. Wait a bit. And you set the ending and then call the common event. That's all I need to do. Okay. Alright, common events. Endings. Return to lobby. This will be ending 2. Eaten by Charles. Control variables. Ending, set that to 2. And call common event. Ending. Done. That should be it. I need to figure out a voice for Charles, but there'll be like a few minor things I need to figure out, but figuring out a voice is definitely on the tiger. Yo, bro, my name's Charles. Oh, hi, it's nice to meet. Meet? Okay, the mouth, thing here. Oh, I never set priority for the mouth. It looks like he's fucking jorking or something. What the fuck? Also, it didn't, actually do the game over for some reason. Oh, I have to set this, variable too. Right. I have to make sure that's there. Alright. Alright, now we're going to see again. Let's see if we need to change any timings or anything. Yo, bro, my name's Charles. Oh, hi, it's nice to meet. Meet? Meet. Actually, this should technically be right here. Alright, let me take a look at that again. Meet. Yeah, you'll never say it's nice to meet to, the elevator. Yo, bro, my name's Charles. Oh, hi, it's nice to meet. Meet? Okay, I think I do need a smear frame. A smear frame would definitely help. I need a smear frame in between these two. Absolutely. Okay, so shift in. Oh, sorry. Alt in is what does it. Okay. And because it's a smear frame, we will... Oh, I did it on the wrong fucking thing. Okay, so put about 3 pixels here and then 4 up. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then on the elevator frame, just got to do a little of this. It doesn't need to be pretty. Because spear frames, you can purposely make it kind of ugly because of the fact that it is not going to be shown very long. Right, and then after that, one, 2, 3, 5, 6. I think 6 is a good amount to pull it up. Oh, that is not the teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the elevator layer, we can just clear a little bit of this. Alright, so the actual eat will be like that. And then the chew. Actually, it shouldn't be, big, small. It should be up, down. Right? Yeah, hold on. Let me fix that. Export sprite sheet. And update it to be 22 frames. Alright. Put this to the side so I can see the frames. It's still frame 15 when it fully opens. Then it speaks. Then he goes quickly to frame 18. Or actually quickly to frame 17. Then he eats him on 18. And then pulls him in on 19. And then over here, we just need to alternate between 20 and 21. Alright, let's see if that how much improvement that is. Yo, bro, my name's Charles. Oh, hi, it's nice to meet. Meet? There was a bit of a derp in that animation. You know, this game's just like skirt. There's a bit of derp in there that I need to fix. In terms of when the character disappears. Okay, so the character appears on frame 18. Oh, wait. This should have said 18. Then after 18, it turns the character off and goes to 19. Wait, no. 19 is... or 17 is the end of that. Okay, no. That was correct the first time. The fact that I have to subtract one from the frame that it says an A sprite is a bit, confusing. Okay. So in frame 18, which is 17 in here, there's no player. But then you immediately... Alright, we go to 18 with no wait. And then go to 19 with a slight delay afterwards. So let's say like 5. And then we hold on that shot of him being in his mouth and bloody. Yo, bro, my name's Charles. Alright, let's see how the animation works now. Okay, I think that's good for now. There might be some minor things, but without, like, pushing the character to the middle. The fact that the character has to go to the middle makes the animation a bit awkward, but... Cora, what's up? I love you. What do you want? Oh, do you have to pee? Okay, 1 second. My dog has to pee. Give me 1 second. Potty. Potty. Alright. Oh, I didn't even hit the BRB screen. I just went. What the fuck? Oh well, that's fine. Alright. Let's actually do, and this might sound cringe, the actual game now. I know. Ew. Disgusting. Okay. We need to figure out what happens to unleash Subject X. That is the thing I need to figure out. And I am, like, all sorts of indecisive about this section. Is the music a bit loud? Probably a little better. That is not... There we go. So. What we need to do here We need to figure out how to write this scene. Because this is the scene in which we... Actually, do we even need a show containment? It could be that we walk in, hear something. Can you add Donkey Kong? If you can figure out a good way to reference Donkey Kong, I can add it. It can't just be, oh, hey, Donkey Kong is here. Like, where would I put it, and what would it be, and how would you interact with it? The Donkey Kong room, and it's just a PNG of Donkey Kong. Okay, I'll put that into my back pocket and totally come back to that later. Actually, what I think should happen is that when you come down the stairs, you know, everything is going to be blocked off this way. You goes, okay. Damn it. And so let me make sure this area looks fine. Oh yeah, I forgot about our, Amogus guts. Wait, he shouldn't be able to walk up this close. Okay. Push these back one. This here. That's right. I think the actual shifting of the tiles was kind of off. You park these forks like this. They should lose the certification. Yeah. Oh. I don't think I did anything for this guy. Did I really put it as below characters? I did. And I also don't have any... Damn, the guts cause you to fly. I know, right? It's the Amogus spleen that does it. Because, you know, space. You get ejected, yeah. Poor guy. Just poor guy. I don't know what else he would ever say here. Yeah, I guess it pauses whenever I talk to him. If I hit it halfway... Oh, it does! I can't stop it halfway. His dick fell off. His dick is somewhere in the shaft. It's fine. Alright. I need to figure out what to do. Whee! What to do at this point. Because this is where he has to meet Subject X. So I guess that is the priority right now. Subject X. The question is, do I go inside containment room? Or do I, like, try to go in and then back off because she's here? Either way, it has to end with me falling into the hole. And then the hole takes me to the lower basement level. Boom. Boom. I think it's more ominous if he sees her, but the player doesn't see her yet. You mean like a set of glowing eyes comes out? So you think I should just have glowing eyes and he I have to think about why he goes in the hole rather than trying to go this way though. Banana. Donkey, you want me to put a banana there as the excuse? He slips on a banana peel? DK. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong is dead. Subject, huh? Subject K, come on. Don't. I think the only way I can do that is if I go into containment and you see various containment things. For example... Oh, wait, this is not in the A-Sprite folder. Because I have no idea if I'm even using this, but I made a containment glass. So if we do go into containment, I could put, like, random things in here, such as DK. But the thing is, if she's in containment, then why would the alarm go off? Because I had it so that her escape was what caused the alarm to go off in the lobby. So maybe she's out of the containment, but I could put other containment things of characters. So I could just use this template for containment for other characters, like random ass things, and then have a broken one with her like choking out a scientist or some shit. And if once you get out of the thing, maybe she like hits you and that causes you to fall into the hole. I think that is probably the best line of events I can do. So I'm only going to put the broken containment glass in subject X, create the whole scene, and then when I'm done with the whole scene, then I'll add the extra containment for the flavors. Make sure I know how everything is going to line up first. Doggo, what's up? I love you. Are you hyper? Are you hyper? My dog is so hyper right now. He just wants nothing but to play. I know, but he's like staring at me. He's like, please play. It's dark outside, baby. I know. It's dark out. Can't play. Oh, give me some scritches. Alright. So I probably need to make a random science dude being choked out. Yeah, I know, like, there is some coordination that needs to be made in order to make an animation that affects, you know, two individual characters, but those are kind of weird, but it should be kind of fine. Okay. So the containment here. I do know that the height of the wall makes it this. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and straight up make a broken one. We'll make this character. Okay, this will be the broken one. Which means it will not have the solid here. Oh, that's right. I actually put the solid the full way through. Let me fix that. Because this is the layer that is semi-transparent. And I don't want that to overlap. There we go. That looks good. Car, no. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna make is just going to be the broken one. So something like that. Put a couple extra jags in there. Okay, that looks like a broken piece of containment. I think this might be a little much, but... Alright, so now we have a broken containment. Export sprite sheet. We'll call this containment 01. If we decide to have more containments. Oh, right. We need to actually make it file export sprite sheet. It needs to have 12 frames to it. Alright, fixed number of columns 3. Containment 1. And then this one can have her here. So, broken, completed, her, and then we could put random characters on the other frames. Alright. And just for reference, I'm going to put this here. And we'll see how the spacing for that looks. Yeah, I keep forgetting how fucking big she is. Yeah, so it's that kind of spacing. She's huge! And probably that for, like, the other pods, right? Let's see what that looks like. Okay. As a matter of fact, I think I should pull it like that. To kind of have it be almost circular in this room. Yep. So I walk in. I need him to go ahead and make those the blank ones, though. We'll worry about putting 4 random shits later. Corral. You're silly. You're so hyper. Yeah, I think I actually need to put settings there, but Maybe I need to put the settings here. So, like, if I did this, I would put the XY. Yeah, I think I need to alter everything from here. I will do so. Because I think maintaining the shift thing is going to be awkward. Otherwise. Alright. In that case, this one might be best if I did multiple different things for it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up for reference. Subject X. 40 by 72. God damn, she's big! She's gonna be facing this way. File, new, 40. Actually, it's gonna be bigger than that, but... Can I paste every layer? I can't? Can I not just... Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. First of all, sprite canvas size. I need to make it a crisp multiple of 16. So let's make this 48. Sprite canvas size. Then we need to push it one more. So 64. Okay, background. Oh, right, because height. Sprite. Canvas size. Wait, 80? Wait, is 80 a... Yeah, that's 5, tall. That's fine. Now we just need to go ahead and make a science dude to choke out. Wait, why is it doing that? Save you. You're good. And we got the characters we are looking at. Okay. Alright, let me deform her arm and then figure out where I want this guy to be. So, alright, enjoy your slap. Have a good rest of the stream. I'm getting some work done, so that's always a good stream, so. Let's see, we'll do that. But enjoy your night. Mwah! I'll see you later. Da 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 da. Okay, we'll make a dude layer. Actually, I'm gonna take the eyes away, because he's having the life choked out of him. Give him a little bit of hair. Give him a light jacket. Okay, well, this is a dude being choked the fuck out. Maybe something lighter for the pants. We'll give him, like, khakis? Yeah, that looks fine. This is a section that I was like, no one's gonna see that. And I guess I am wrong about that. Just gonna delete that. There we go. Yeah, because on the walking, the arm kind of deforms, blocks it. So it looks fine here. Ba ba da da da. Actually, she's still kind of centered right now. Like, if I go to canvas... Put it back to 48. That might make it easier to animate. Uh... Actually, it works with the 64. I can't make it 32. So making it 48 might be the fine way to do it. Just to make sure it's consistent with size. Alright. Oh, I have 6 repeats. That's why it's doing that. Alright. I guess I did that so that I could see all the animations easily without having to cycle. And it does look good doing so. Alright. Kuro. Okay. It was raining today, so he wasn't able to go outside. So I think I might end here just for the sake of taking care of him. Let me make sure this is saved. Subject X choke 1. Alright, so I'll do that. I hope y'all have a good one. And I will see you later. So, on Thursday, I'm going to start a new game. 1000X Resist. Wow. And I'm hoping it's going to be a really good one. It seems like a really fun game. Yeah, I'm going in completely blind. So, that'll be that. There will be no stream on Sunday because my mom wants me to have dinner while watching the Oscars. I have not seen a movie this year, so I have no idea what even exists. But we'll see. That being said, let's do a silly little raid. I'm going to drop in on Dr. Toto Hex. We all stand Dr. Toto. And I will see you all later. Have a great one. Bye. Mwah.